Hi there, friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today, in this video, I am going to show you how to open TikTok on Unmute. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video. Let's get started, guys. First, open the TikTok app and find the home screen menu. Step 2. Now, tap on your profile picture at the right side of the screen corner. Step 3. Next, tap on the 3 lines option at the top right of the screen. Step 4. Now, locate the Settings and Privacy option at the bottom of the screen and tap on it. Step 5. Next, scroll down the menu, find the Playback option and tap on it. Step 6. Now, find the Open TikTok on Unmute option. Unfortunately, this is turned on. Final step. For the last and most important step, tap on the Open TikTok on Mute option to turn it off instantly. Now, you can open TikTok anytime on Unmute. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.